Are you still copying arrays the old way, that is with loops, concat method, and so on and so forth? You are making your life harder than it needs to be. So what if I told you that there is one line trick to copy any array in JavaScript? No loop, no concat, and no hacks. Before then, copying array in JavaScript used to drive me personally crazy. But after hours of learning JavaScript, I discovered the spread operator, and from then on, copying arrays became effortless. So now the question is, what is the spread operator? So as you guys can see here, the spread operator is an operator in JavaScript that expands an iterable into its individual element. So now let's take this example to see how it really works. So we have an array of numbers from 1 to 3, and we have this console log code that will help us to output the array. So this console log will really output the array, and this one, with the help of the spread operator, will output each individual element of the array. So how does the syntax look like? So basically we just put the spread operator in front of the name of the array, and that's just it. So here's the code. As you guys can see, here's the output of the array, and here is the output of each individual element of the array. So now the question is, how does it help us to copy array efficiently and in a cleaner way? So basically here we still have an array of numbers, and normally, personally, I was using for loops to copy an array, as you guys can see here, but it's taking too much line of code. And the second alternative that I was using was with concat method. So basically I take an empty array, I concatenate it with the original array, so the array numbers, and we have a copy. So now the model that I want to show you guys is with the spread operator here. So basically what happens here is that you declare the array, the copy that you want to create. So let's say copy 4, and with it, next to after the equals to sign, you type in the 2 brackets, and inside those 2 brackets, normally those 2 brackets help us to declare an empty array. So basically what we have here, we have an empty array. So, and inside this 2 brackets, what we shall do is we shall simply spread each element of the array numbers. So to do that is very simple. That's it. So basically we spread the array numbers inside it, and if we run the code, you guys will see that we have the same result. So basically, as you guys can see, we have one method with the spread operator that gives us the same result as this for loop. So here we have more lines of code compared to this spread operator. That's the trick that I wanted to show you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, a comment, and we shall meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.